Partner with our partners called Deltares. Selama 1 tahun diteliti, ya. Kami ambil sampel popok sekali pakai di Sungai Brantas. Kami juga ambil sampah-sampah lainnya di Sungai Brantas. Dan ternyata ditemukan patogen-patogen yang ada di popok sekali pakai itu bisa mengembangkan mikroba lainnya, bahkan ditemukan gen antibiotik resisten.
Yang membuat popok bayi ini solusi konkret untuk meningkatkan usaha kecil menengah. Dari sisi ekonomi, selain tadi menyelesaikan urusan sampah plastik, juga mencegah mencegah penyakit yang timbul. Yang ketiga, penghematan terjadi, Bapak Ibu sekalian.
How we think that solutions like Bumbi can be best supported by the Global Plastics Treaty, and so understanding how best we can use this international treaty to replicate and scale solutions like Bumbi will be really interesting for us.
Dari yang tadinya harus menggunakan mungkin diapers, kita bisa menggunakan popok pakai ulang, sehingga ke depan dengan kegiatan ini rumah jahit yang kami bina ini juga semakin terbantu ekonominya, karena ketika popok pakai ulang ini semakin banyak yang memakai, tentunya juga banyak pesanan-pesanan ke Kamensis, ke Bumbi gitu ya, dan salah satu kontributornya adalah dari rumah jahit binaan Muara Karang.
Bu Celia bersama dengan PLN dan stakeholder lain bisa mengagregasi potensi ini gitu loh. Saya bilang sama membangun perusahaan ini, taruhlah bisa ada 1.000 orang pelaku usaha rumah tangga yang mensupport Bu Celia. Bu Celia saya bilang, Bu bikin PT, saya yang bantu bikin PT-nya. Dan kalau popok pakai ulang ini menjadi tren baru, ini menjadi langkah kemajuan kita bersama. Ya, kita punya kontribusi. Ibu-ibu punya kontribusi, Bambi, Ashmore, British Embassy, dan PLN juga. Kami pemerintah harus support. Jadi hal-hal seperti ini harus kita coba galakan lagi, pemerintah dengan para stakeholder, baik itu swasta maupun pemerintah negara lain, harus sama-sama jalan bareng. Kenapa? Isu lingkungan, isu masyarakat adalah isu kita bersama.
Bumbi in Common Seas is demonstrating that it is possible to reduce dependency on single-use diapers and address the plastic pollution challenges faced by communities along the Brantas River. Scaling this model is a key focus for us. To do this, we'll need to strengthen partnerships, not only within the community, but also with corporations. Corporate donors can play a pivotal role in providing financial resources and leveraging their supply chains. With corporate support, a project like this could access better materials at lower costs and could also expand distribution to new communities. Bumbi could gain policy support, for example, and broaden educational programs, positioning reusable diapers as the new norm in Indonesia. We're excited to continue to support Common Seas and Bumbi's journey together to hope and inspire more partners to join us in this critical mission. Together, I'm hoping that we can foster a sustainable future for Indonesia, one reusable diaper at a time.
Karena saya kan punya anak kembar ya, pikir-pikir lebih hemat pakai Bumbi gitu. Anak juga kelihatannya lebih ceria, terus nggak ada ruam-ruam merah-merah gitu, nggak ada iritasi sama sekali.
So kan saya biasa beli yang sekali pakai ruam terus, pas aku ganti popok yang cuci pakai langsung enggak sih, emang cocok berarti ya.
Alhamdulillah.
Sangat manfaat banget Ibu, bener, iya.
Saya tahu Bapak Ibu malas nyuci ya kalau pakai popok kain. Nah, jangan, ada solusinya. Washing machine portable. Suka kesal dengan malas nyuci segala macam. Siapa bilang solusi itu di mana-mana ada ya. Jadi ini ada washing machine portable khusus diapers ya.
Dari Bumbi juga alhamdulillah dapat penghasilan juga alhamdulillah gitu.
Sekarang begitu datang Bumbi ya alhamdulillah dengan baik. Jadi ibu-ibu alumni mau saya kasih order jadi untuk beralih ke Bumbi.
If you may put the rate between 0 to 10 or 0 to 9, maybe you can put what rate for this Bumbi project?
I think firstly to say that we started the project in April, so it's very much a pilot project. So in terms of rating it, I'd be rating it based on learning. Because in the first year of any project, I think expecting to get 10 is unrealistic. And if you did, something's not right. Because in the first year, that's where the learning is. So I think I would rate it, you said 0 to 10, at probably 8 to 9, because, which is great, is because the Bumbi team, there's an honesty that you have to have in that first year of what's not working. In fact, I would say that would give it a 10 if things aren't working, and using those learnings in that first year to make sure that by year 5, the project and the product is perfect. So compared to, I think, other projects that we have, so we work across Latin America and other places in Asia, I think I would rate it high because of 3 factors. They're really well embedded in the community. I was really impressed when I went to see the project that the staff knew the community really well, that they knew the local government and kind of the health workers really well. So they're really embedded. The learnings are going right back into it, like I mentioned. So they're taking the feedback. You know, that was my first question, is if mothers aren't happy, if health workers, they tell the team then puts that back into the project. And then the third thing is that they measure. So I think what they do really well here, and I think Indonesia in general, from what I can see, in terms of working at a community level, metrics are important, and I think other places they don't. It's more anecdotal, so it'll be more about stories. But there seems to be an appreciation of numbers here and metrics and data, and that's really helpful. So I'd put it very high up on that.
Do you satisfied? Work with us. I'm happy to say that we are very happy with the project because it took 22 hours and 4 different airports for me to get here to see the project. But I think it's only our first year of working together. But I can already say that there's a couple of things that make it a really good partner project. One of which is around the SRI, so looking at the social return on investment as a funder. You and your team are credible at getting the metrics and data out to us. That's how we know we're having impact, because we can see the data, we can see kind of all of the raw information coming out of the projects.
Secara umum puas bisa ya, karena kami jadi bisa membantu kelompok remaja kami. Di harapan kami kerjasama ini tidak hanya berada di sini, kami ingin bahwasanya anggota-anggota yang selama ini mungkin masih belum digunakan itu tetap bisa didorong dari Indonesia ya, sehingga kelompok remaja itu bisa